SAP HANA architecture provides different types of engines: join engine, OLAP engine, calculation engine. There is quite a lot of overlap in the capabilities of the engines. The SQL optimizer decides the best way to call the engines depending on the involved models and queries sent to SAP HANA. When building new information models, it is useful to keep in mind which engine is predominantly used by the type of model. But the only way to identify which engine is actually called, you must use the Explain Plan tool, which is covered later. When you build any information model, you must keep in mind a number of principles that will help you to build high-performance models. When the execute in property is switched to SQL engine in a graphical calculation model, the calculation engine tries to generate SQL from each node during runtime. After generating SQL for each node, if possible, the SQL statements are combined into one big SQL statement, which is then passed to SQL interface. This might be beneficial as the SQL interface also involves standard SQL optimizer, which implements a lot more optimization rules than calculation engine. For example, rules that determine the optimal join sequence.
This option is only efficient if every node can be translated so that one big SQL statement can be generated. To gain optimal SQL generation, the following rules should be followed.